Starting your morning with a dish that is, of course, delicious and easy to make in your own kitchen would be great. Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with Maple Sausage Waffle Casserole. So let's get started. Let's cook the sausage. Time to prepare the waffles. And now the egg mixture. Salt and pepper makes everything taste better. Let's build the dish. Set your timer for 45 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Waffles can be traced back to ancient Greece, where people cooked flat cakes called obleos, made from simple batter and pressed between hot metal plates. Belgium created several regional waffle styles, each with distinct texture, sweetness, and shape. European immigrants brought waffles to the United States, where they became popular during the 19th century. Today, waffles are popular as a breakfast staple. Looks great right out of the oven. Thanks for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's get a portion on a plate. Finish with a drizzle of maple syrup. This is what we all been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the combination of crispy waffles, juicy sausage, maple syrup, and cinnamon creates an amazing breakfast or brunch casserole that you can prep the night before. You, your guests, friends, and family will love it. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a great way to start your day. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.